Hey, this is Cheryl Brigham with Designs by Cheryl B. Just real quick, putting the finishing touches on the cutest pumpkin journal that I have made. So I'm going to make just a short video real quick to give you an idea of how unique this journal is. It's the front and back. It's got a, I don't know, probably a 1.5 inch, maybe close to 2 inch spine. And it is wrapped in all these lovely fall ribbons, and it is shaped like a pumpkin. There are the pages. Okay, it's made of chipboard. On the inside there's kind of a pumpkin colored old wallpaper print. It also comes with an envelope, a glossy envelope full of matching cut out and stained ephemera for you to add to the journal, because I have left the pages blank, and we've got pumpkins and sunflowers and gourds and all kinds of fall goodies there, so that'll be fun. And then the folders and pages are made to match. I've stained all the pages and edges. I've used a paper sack for some of the pages to give that kind of retro, take you back to trick-or-treating feel. There is a journal card or a door knocker, whatever you want to do with it, or just keep it in your book. And so one of my compositions of a little girl in a pumpkin patch with the butterfly fairy wings. And it's lined on the back where you can write your journal notes. So there are two sections. That was the first section. In the middle, I've added this little, the cutest little folder, pumpkin patch recipe cards. It's got a raven on the front, and let's see, on the back it has a map of Sleepy Hollow. So that's really cute. And then we open it up and we have a half a dozen recipe cards inside, and they have different fall foliage and gourds, pumpkins on them. I've also added a blank vintage print pumpkin card and envelope. And then we go to the second section, and it looks just like the first, same amount of pages. And here I've added on cardstock an old orange cider advertisement on chipboard. Actually, it's mounted and stained. So, and then to the back of the journal. The back cover looks just like the front, and it is bound with a really pretty orange ribbon with green stitching to match the book. So I just wanted to give you a peek at my pumpkin journal, which will be listed in my shop. This is Cheryl Brigham with Designs by Cheryl B. Thanks for joining me.